Alright, here we go. Can start around the prop here, tight group. Soloist comes out. I'm going to string in performers here. Get to the yellow brick road and then come down the yellow brick road. These five become kind of a focus here. Still using the floor. Some more come out. This person has a saber. Both of them have sabers too. Solo toss maybe right here. Okay, these guys pick up saber at the front sideline, so now we have 6 sabers. Use the space of these 2 dancers to come down. That's hard to see right there. 4 more dancers come out, then 3 more, 7 more, then 2 more. Focus on the sabers as the dancers kind of spread out from the prop. Sabers move to the prop as everyone else moves to the edge. Pick up the flag around the edge. Really delicate work there. You really want to see good work in between the sabers and the flags. We'll bring in 2 rifles here as the sabers unwind. Focus here. More sabers add in pairs. You see the sabers here. We see some flags adding in here. They're curving around. This person shouldn't spin until they get in here. There's a little hold here. See the arc of the floor with the rifle, sabers, and flags. And we'll get some more going here in a little bit.